Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I got a unboxing video for you and it's a box I haven't unboxed on my channel for a long time, and it's the cruelty-free beauty box. I've ripped off my address label there, but this is how it arrives. Now there's been lots and lots of changes with this subscription, and amazing changes. They now offer 6 different subscription boxes, which I'll tell you all about. So if you're new to Cruelty-Free Beauty Box and you're interested in learning a little bit more about them and the cost and what you get, etc., then carry on watching. But if you've seen it all before elsewhere, or you're already subscribing, you're just interested in seeing what I received in this box, which is the Beauty Box Original box for August and September. They're now bi-monthly. Then I'll add a timestamp down in the comments below, so you're free to flick forward. On the bottom here it says made from sugarcane, so recompost me or recycle me, which I think is brilliant. You get a little leaflet, but this is seed paper, and it says place me in soil and lightly cover me with some more, water me, place me somewhere warm to grow, and it's got hashtag save the bees, which is so cool. So I'll be referring to this as we go along, but I won't show the products just yet. I just want to give you a lowdown about the box and then we'll come back to it. So the Cruelty-Free Beauty Box is based in the UK, free shipping within the UK, and they do ship internationally at an additional cost, which is worked out at checkout. They also have an online shop selling all things cruelty-free and vegan, so I'll pop that down in the description, as well as links to this box as well if you're interested. So click underneath the video, see show more, click that, that'll bring up description and all details will be listed down there. Boxes can be personalised. They donate 10% of profits to different charities monthly, and 1 tree is planted with every 5 boxes purchased on the Borneo's rainforest, which I think is amazing. Really good. Some boxes are every 2 months and some boxes are every 3 months, and you can cancel any time. So there's 6 different subscription boxes then. So the first one is called the Beauty Box, and it's their mini box. It's 100% plastic free and contains 3 to 6 products. It comes out every 2 months and costs £22.95. So next we've got the Beauty Box Original, which is what I'm unboxing today. Inside contains 1/3 of plastic packaged products, but they are trying to reduce that as they go on. Inside you'll get between 5 to 8 products, and it comes out every 2 months, and it'll cost you £29.95. And this box is available to purchase now up until the 21st of September, unless it sells out. And then if you're interested in this box for the next box, it'll come out in October. Then you've got the Beauty Box Deluxe. Exactly the same products as the Beauty Box Original, which I've got, but we've added lifestyle products and snacks. Inside you receive between 7 and 12 products, and it comes out every 2 months, and it'll cost you £39.95. So next we've got 3 subscription boxes that come out every 3 months. The first one is Ethical Rogue, and it's all grooming products, and inside contains between 5 and 8 products and costs £29.95. Next you got the Ethical Rogue Deluxe, which contains exactly the same as the last one. We've added lifestyle products and snacks, and that costs £39.95. And lastly you've got Ethical Glow, which is all makeup, and that comes out every 3 months as the other 2, and you get between 6 to 10 makeup products, and that will cost you £49.95. I appreciate there's a lot of information to take in, so I will type it all out in the description so you get to see it clearly what each box is like and how much it costs, etc. This is a PR box. The Cruelty-Free Beauty Box kindly gifted this box to me in exchange for unboxing it on my channel and telling you all about it, and they've given me a code to give you, which is 10% off your first box of any of the boxes, which is Diary10. It's non-affiliated, so I don't receive anything if you use it, but it's there if you want to use it. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out, I will link it down below, or I'll type it down below. But let's open this box up and see what we've got inside. Now I have had a look. Normally I don't, but I have had a look this time because I was so curious to see what's inside it. I've got that little leaflet that I was telling you about that you can plant. Ooh, there. I'll give you a quick sneak peek first. Just to recap, this is the Beauty Box Original, and it costs £29.95 and comes out every 2 months. Our new printed boxes are now brown instead of white. That's because white boxes are bleached, which is bad for the environment and also adds to emissions. They are also made from sustainably sourced recycled materials, and it tells you everything about the products, including the price, so I'm able to tot it all up at the end to give you an overall value. So first item is a cognac facial sponge, and this is by Green Frog Botanic, and it's gentle cleansing and exfoliant, naturally good for your skin. 100% pure cognac sponge with no additives. That's what it looks like there. Just get one of these out. When I first received one of these in a beauty box, it must be about 2 years ago or so, I thought, what the heck is this? How can I wash my body with something so stiff? I know, I am a bit dull with things like that. But no, once you wet it, it expands and it is super, super soft, super soft. They're lovely. They're really, really nice. So you can see there. This is full size and the recommended retail price is £7.95, and it says cognac sponges cleanse and exfoliate in one simple step, giving your skin a smooth and glowy look. You can use your cognac sponge twice a day, morning and night, with or without your cleanser. These will work great with your Love Absolute bar, which is also in the box. Made from plants and packed with minerals and antioxidants. See the back of the box for how to use and how to discard. And yeah, it's got lots of information on the back there. So that's our first item. So let's find the cleanser then, and it's in a little tin. This is so cool. Love Absolute Blue Moon Facial Bar. And when I opened it up and had a look, I was like, oh, what on earth? I don't know. Look. Looks a bit weird, doesn't it? It looks like it's covered with a coating of chocolate. Like a top of a cappuccino or something. But yeah, so you might be able to see better there. It's sort of like a green bar, and it's like a fine dusting. It might well be of chocolate, I don't know. It smells lovely though, nice and fresh. The recommended retail price for this is £28 and it's a full size. A solid compact clay cleanser with luxurious deep sea clay from pristine Fords. Calming colloidal oats, if I said that right, and elderberry seed oil with butterfly pea antioxidant. Simply create a lather and use it on its own or with your cognac sponge. Gentle oat proteins and colloidal clay cleanse and refresh the skin, whilst butterfly pea helps to keep the skin smooth and calm. So there's that. Next we've got a scrub, we've got a spoon and a little card, and this is by the Salt Parlour, and this is Rose and Shea Butter Calm Salt and Sulphur Scrub, the mini tin, and it's 60 grams. So it looks like there. Got a little spoon as well. Oh wow, oh, that looks good enough to eat. I'll show you now. Oh, it smells alright. It does smell very rosy. I'm not that keen on rose smells, but it smells okay. Doesn't it look good enough to eat? Oh, it feels so nice as well. I'm okay with rose as long as it's not too overpowering. I don't like it if it's in a perfume or like a body lotion, something that is going to stay on my body. I think I said in previous videos, you know, something that is long standing and I'm going to sniff it all the time, then I won't like it. But as far as scrubs and things like that, then it's fine. We've got a mini tin which is 60 grams, but to buy the 80 gram tin it will cost you £8.95, or to buy the 200 gram it will cost you £16.95. And it says the Salt Parlour blend the goodness of the sea with natural vitamins, minerals and cold press essential oils to leave your skin beautifully smooth, fresh and hydrated, whilst uplifting and indulging to the senses. Sulphur is known as the beauty mineral for its ability to support collagen production, promote circulation and decrease inflammation. That sounds amazing, doesn't it? So there's that, as well as the spoon. Next we've got a treatment balm, Nourish Yourself by Bao, I think it is. It's by Bao Skincare, and this is 60 mils. So you've got a little jar there. It's got consistency of slightly melted white chocolate. I'm just going to try a tiny bit on my hand. Oh, it smells really nice. What's the smell? It says our best-selling beauty balm can be used as a night balm, cleanser, moisturiser or treatment balm. Vitamin-rich plant oils and nut butters nourish and help repair your skin, and soothing essential oils help calm and balance any redness or irritation. Oh, that sounds perfect for my skin at the moment. I don't know if you can tell. It is getting better, but if you've seen a few videos ago, you will see how bad my skin is. Underneath this makeup, I've got some scabby skin going on. I had advanced electrolysis done a week ago, and yeah, just to remove some sebaceous hyperplasia lumps, and now that some of the scabs are coming off, it's leaving me with red skin. It will fade in time, so I am sort of looking at skincare to help me, but yeah, maybe this is it. I'm going to give this a go, so maybe this will help me. This is full size and the recommended retail price for this is £25. This best-selling treatment balm is multi-use at its best. It can be used, as I said, night balm, cleanser, moisturiser, etc. And what other information has it got on there? It says our favourite use is as a balm just before bedtime. It's a serious treat for both face and body, suitable for all skin types. So there's that there. And the last two items are sort of together. So I'll show you the first item first. It's a makeup product by London Copyright, and this is Ultimate Gel Eyeliner in Intense Black. what the outer packaging looks like. I love gel eyeliner. I don't use it as much. I always go for the pens, but I do actually like a gel eyeliner. If I'm doing a really thick eyeliner, I've got more control with the gel when I use a brush. As you'd expect, it's a black gel eyeliner. I will give it a go in a minute. And then with it, we've got an eyeliner brush. If you've never used one of these before, if you can, give it a try. If you get one in an old subscription box, or if you've got one lying around, or if you see one, get one, because they are so handy. They are really, really handy to get right into your lashes, or even with eyeshadow. If you don't want to use an eyeliner as such, using an eyeshadow just in the lashes, just to fill out your lashes, can really transform your eyes. If you're not really into heavy makeup like me, then yeah, using a little tiny brush like this is amazing. But yeah, no, it's nice. This is number 206. I'm gonna have to use my left hand to do this because I got stuff on this hand. Whoop, I already made a mess. Yeah, a lot goes a long way, as you can see. So the Ultimate Gel Eyeliner then is full size and it will cost you £6.95. This gel eyeliner is an indelible, high-performing, waterproof, strong black gel eyeliner. The weightless, super pigmented, creamy formula glides on for effortless application, smudges beautifully to create smouldering looks, and the long-wearing formula ensures you keep your look fresh all day. Grab your angled eyeliner brush to create your favourite look. Got eyeliner brush, full size obviously, and it'll cost you £4.95. This cleverly angled eyeliner brush with its straight, stiff bristles provides control, access and visibility for the application of product onto the lash line and even onto the tiniest corner of the inner eye. Clean, sharp lines have never been so easy to achieve. So those are all the products. So I'm just going to gather them all up and I'm going to add them all up as well, and I'll be back. I can't hold them all properly all together because they're all awkward sort of sizes, but there's 6 products in all. This box costs £29.95 and the value comes to around £90, so way above the actual cost of the box. We've got some really lovely items here, really lovely. The gel eyeliner and the brush I think is amazing. I think having them both in the box together is brilliant, because what's the point of a gel eyeliner if you don't have a brush? And vice versa, what's the point of a brush if you don't have a gel eyeliner? So, you know, I like that. I like the fact they are together. I like the cleanser, we've got the sponge, we've got the body scrub, and we've got the treatment balm, which I can't wait to try on my face tonight when I go to bed. So no, all in all, I think it's a really lovely box. As always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of it? Have you tried any of the cruelty-free beauty boxes, the new boxes, one of the 6 that they're doing? I'd love to hear what you think of them, and especially if you've tried any different boxes to this, to see how they compare and if you think it's good value for money. So if you're interested in cruelty-free, vegan and eco-friendly type boxes with lots of different choices, then I definitely recommend checking out their website and seeing if it is a box for you. But yeah, no, thank you to the Cruelty-Free Beauty Box for gifting me this box. I think it's wonderful, so thank you so much. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, as always, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come, and make sure to click the notification button as well so that you never miss any of my videos. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.